The pattern 14 leather sling was adopted by the British in 1914 and approved for use with the SMLE rifle. The components of the sling include a single strap with keeper riveted on one end and 4 holes punched on the other, 1 keeper, and a leather thong. To set up the sling for installation, ensure the thong is removed from the strap and the thong end is not through the keepers. The loose keeper should be near the fixed keeper with rivets facing the same direction. To install, feed the thong end of the sling, grain sight toward the rifle, through the front sling swivel from back to front. Bring the thong end back toward the butt of the rifle and feed it through the 2 keepers. Adjust the sling so the thong end is near the rear sling swivel. Ensure there are no twists in the sling and feed the thong end through the rear sling swivel from back to front. Align the 2 sets of holes in the sling. Then thread each end of the thong through a pair of holes. Pull the thong tight and tie off the thong on the inside of the sling. An overhand or square knot will suffice. The sling is now attached to the rifle. If desired, the excess of the thong can then be clipped. If done, enough should be left to allow the sling to be retied. Adjustment of the sling is accomplished by sliding the keeper end along the sling. To hold the sling in a tight position, force the loose keeper against the front swivel. The pattern 14 sling was primarily intended as a carry sling. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting or helpful, go ahead and give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Then let us know what you thought or would like to see with a comment. If you would like to support the channel, you can become a member on Patreon or YouTube or a subscriber on Player. Links to these are in the description below. For more information on this firearm and others, head on over to historyandfirearms.com.